Nauteya Whyee, better known as Beauty Rebellion. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button before we even get started. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I styled this wig. My wig is from ISEE Hair Company, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys all about it. If you guys love this hairstyle as much as I do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can tell from the title, the hair company I'll be featuring in today's video is ISEE Hair. This is the packaging my hair came in. The hair they sent me is their Brazilian body wave texture, 24 inches. Frontal space is 13 by 6. And the wig itself is 150% density. Here you see me just combing through the hair with a wide tooth comb. I've had this hair installed for a few days now, and I wanted to switch up the style and show you guys how I achieved it. I'm going to start off by sectioning off the part of my hair that I want to do the style at. I'm going to take my hot comb and make sure the surrounding hair is nice and flat. And that the parts are very visible. Then I'm going to put the rest of my hair in a pony for now, because we're just going to focus on that first section first. So here you see me just using my hot comb again to make sure it's nice and flat. Okay, honesty time. I love the lace on this ISEE hair wig. The only issue I've been having is with the shedding. I am constantly cleaning hair out of my combs and brushes in my bathroom, which can get pretty annoying. I'm going to start off by parting my hair in the middle and making that one big section into two small sections. You can pretty much just visually see what I'm doing from here, so I'll let you guys watch and enjoy these beats, and I'll jump back in once I feel necessary. To achieve this look, I'm going to be using some small black rubber bands. once we're done styling the front, there's only one more step, and that's curling the hair. I'm going to be using my Baby Bliss flat irons to curl my hair. I have several videos up on how I style and curl my hair, so be sure to check out some of my other uploads. And I also have a lot of content coming, so don't forget to press the subscribe button. Okay, so I ended up putting a scarf around my hairline just because as I'm styling, I'm putting a lot of pressure and I'm tugging at the wig. We want it to stay as melted in as possible, so I definitely suggest you to put a scarf on once you begin to curl and style your hair. And now you just want to comb your curls out to your desired look, and you are all done. All in all, ISEE Hair Company gets a 7.5, maybe an 8 for me. This is the second time I've worked with them. The hair curls very, very nicely, and the hair holds a curl nicely too. When I curl my hair, it usually lasts a pretty long time. The lace on this wig is really, really nice. It's transparent. It's not very noticeable. The hair is very soft, and it doesn't require much product or much maintenance. The only problem I've had with this hair is the shedding. That's the only problem I've had with this hair. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you tag me if you try this style. Follow me on Instagram at beautyrebellion_ because I am way more active on there. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.